Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change the auto lock period on your Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. This setting controls how long your screen stays on before locking automatically. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Setting. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top. Tap the Settings icon. Step 2. Go to Display Settings. Scroll down and find Display tap on it. Step 3. Select Screen Timeout. Now, look for Screen Timeout, sometimes called Auto Lock. Tap on it, and you'll see different time options. Step 4. Choose your preferred time. Here, you can set the time from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Select the duration you prefer. If you want to keep your screen on longer, choose a higher value. If you don't want your screen to turn off automatically, enable Keep Screen On while viewing in advanced features. This uses the front camera to detect if you're looking at the screen. And that's it. Your phone will now lock according to your chosen time. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.